Hello everyone and welcome to my digital marketing project presentation. In this presentation, I will be presenting my digital marketing capstone project based on a detailed analysis and marketing strategy for Simple Island. The objective of this project is to develop a stronger digital acquisition funnel by connecting search, social media, and paid advertising with website experience, course discovery, lead generation, and conversation. As part of project, I have covered website UX and conversation experience, technical and on-page SEO, keyword strategy, content marketing, social media, Google Ad and analytics. I have also developed 30 days content calendar, keyword to page mapping, campaign structure, KPI framework, analytic tracking plan, ROI scenario, risk management, and a 10-week implementation roadmap. So let's begin the presentation and explore the complete strategy, recommendation, and implementation plan. Hello everyone, my name is Shubham and today I am pleased to present my digital marketing capstone project based on a simple I learn. The title of my project is Website Auditing and Digital Marketing Strategy for Simply Learn. This project focused on developing an integrated digital marketing strategy that combines website optimization, search engine optimization, content marketing, social media, paid advertising, and analytics. The primary object is to create a stronger digital acquisition journey from discovering the brand to exploring courses, generating inquiries, converting users, and encouraging continued engagement. In this presentation, I will explain the complete strategy, key recommendation, performance, framework, and implementation roadmap. So let's just begin. The project is designed around an integrated acquisition system. The proposed journey begins with search, social media, and paid advertising. These channels direct users toward relevant landing pages where they can explore courses and learning options. The journey then progresses toward inquiry or conversions, followed by retentions and continued engagement. The major improvement in this project is the CEO, content, social media, advertising, and analytics are not related as independent activities. Instead, they are connected through a common funnel and a measurable performance framework. The project defines the acquisition journey as search, social and paid ads, landing page, course exploration, lead of inquiry, conversions, and retention. The project has six major objectives. The first objective is to conduct a comprehensive website audit covering technical SEO, on page SEO, user experience, content, conversation opportunities. The second objective is to improve website structure, navigation, and conversion experience. The third objective is to develop a structured SEO strategy based on keyword, cluster, search intent, and page mapping. The fourth objective is to create a content and social media marketing system. The fifth objective is to develop a controlled Google Ads strategy focused on high intent audience. And the sixth objective is to establish an analytic measurement framework that allows performance to be tracked and optimized. Together, these objectives create a measurable digital marketing system rather than a collection of individual marketing activities. These are six objectives and their associate KPI are defined in the project framework. The first major component is the website audit. The audit evaluates the website from both a technical and business perspectives. The major areas include technical SEO, on-page SEO, content quality, user experience, intel liking on-page, authority, and conversion optimization. A key improvement in my approach is the use of evidence and actions framework. Instead of simplify, identify an issue, the process connects the issue with evidence, its potential impact, its priority. The recommendations, solution, and the responsible owner and KPI that should be used to measure the result. This makes the audit more practical and implementation focused. The project recommended audit ticket structure like issue, then evidence, then user, या SEO, impact, then priority, then recommendation, fix, then owner, then expected KPI, then verification method. Then our audit scorand. To make the audit easier to understand, I have also included an illustrative score showing baseline performance. These are the illustrative graph. The purpose of the scorand is to establish priority and visualize improvement opportunities. These figures are planning assumptions rather than verified simply learn perform data. In actual implementation, the baseline would be replaced with data collected from appropriate website, SEO, and analytic tool. The priority framework separate critical high issue, high priority improvements, medium priority opportunities, and areas that require testing. The project explicitly labels the scorecard as illustrative and recommended replacing the baseline with verified audit tool result. Then next is website and redesign. The slide website. The next area is website user experience conversions. The object is not to make the journey simpler, clear, and more focused. The homepage should communicate the learning and value proportion clearly and guide user toward course discovery. Course discovery should allow user to find relevant learning option based on area such as skill, career, goal, and format. Individual course pages should provide clear information about outcome, curriculum, proof point, frequent asked question, and next action. The strategy also include career pathway, content hubs, trust element, and strong internal navigation. The overall objective is to reduce friction between visitor and desired conversion action. These page level recommendations and measurements are included in the project redesign framework. Next is our SEO strategy. The next major component is search engine optimization. The SEO strategy based of search intent and topic cluster rather than trading keyword as isolated items. The major cluster include course, discovery, skill, based learning, career intent, compression, search, and problem solving search. Each cluster is mapped to an appropriate page type funnel stage. For example, course discovery search as can be used to spot by category landing page, while career intent search as can be spotted by career guide and relevant career course pages. The implementation sequence begin with technical cleanup, followed by keyword mapping, metadata optimization, content refresh, interliking, application scheme, opportunities, authority building, and continuous modeling. The project specified this 8-step SU implementation sequence. Then next, on-page SEO. For on-page SEO, I have developed a reachable optimization framework. This is include meta description H1 and H2. A structure URL, image optimization, internal liking, and application structure data. Even optimization page should also go through a quality assurance process. The objective is to ensure that optimization is consistent across the website and that can change be tracked, reviewed, and evaluated. Content marketing system is another major component of the strategy. Content system include SEO blogs, course guides, compressions pages, short form videos, social media posts, and newsletter. Each content format has a specific purpose. SEO blogs are designed to capture informational search demand. Course guides support commercial intent comparison pages help users during the evaluation stage. Short form videos support awareness and engagement. Social media distributes the content while newsletters help nurture interest audience. The focus is therefore not simply on producing content but on producing the right content for the right stage of the customer journey. The project specify 4 SEO blogs, 2 course guide, 2 comparison, 3 short video, 4 to 5 social post, and newspaper letter per month as planning framework. Next is day content calendar. To make the content strategy practical, I have also developed a 30-day content calendar. The calendar covers LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, blog content, compression content, and email. The topic include career skill learning tips, tutorial, certification, comparison, quizzes, courses preview, and career focused content. Every content item has a defined format and a specific call to action. This creates consistency between content production, distribution, and conversion. The calendar maps content across 4 weeks with platform topics, formats, and call to action. Next is our social media funnel strategy. The social media strategy use different platforms according to their strength. Instagram focused on awareness and engagement through reels, uh, cor- courseless and learn focused content. LinkedIn focused on professional learning, career insight, and certification related content. YouTube posts deeper education through tutorial, explainers, webinars, and course preview. Facebook and sport community engagement and marketing. Important. Each conversion oriented social post should be connected to a measurable destinations and assigned to a specific funnel stage. Google Ads strategy. The next component is paid advertising. The purpose a controlled 30-day Google ad pilot and a planned budget of 57,000 rupee. The purpose allocation is 30,000 rupees for high intent search, 18,000 rupees for a course and category search, and 9,000 rupees for a remarketing or display test. The campaign structure separates brand protection, high intent course search, career intent searches, course and category searches, and remarketing. The strategy also include negative keyword appropriate targeting and extension conversion targeting, tracking, and landing page alignment. The objective is to test efficiency, measure qualified outcome, and shift investment toward the strongest performing. Google Ad Copy and Targeting Framework. For Google Ads, I have also developed an ad group and copy framework. The structure covers digital marketing course, data analytic courses, certification intent, and career intent. Each ad group is connected to a relevant landing page so that the search intent, advertisement, and landing page experience remain aligned. I have also included negative keyword categories to reduce irrelevant traffic. In a live campaign, the final negative keyword list should be developed from actual search term data and continuously refined. The project specifically recommended aligning ad groups and relevant landing pages and developing final negative list from actual search term data. Analytic and measurement. Analytic and measurement. Measurement is essential for evaluating whether the digital marketing strategy is actually working. Therefore, the project includes an analytic event framework. Important events include courses, views, course filter uses CTA click from submission, course start or checkout attention, content engagement, and check email clicks. These events help connect user behavior with marketing performance. The reporting dashboard is structured around acquisition, SEO, content, paid media, conversion, and retention. Each monthly report should answer four questions: what changed, why did it change, what should be tested next, and who is responsible for the action. The event taxonomy and reporting structures are included in the upgraded project. Evaluation, ROI, and scenario planning. The project also includes ROI and scenario planning. These scenarios demonstrate how advertising spend can be evaluated against qualified leads, customer, and contributes. For example, the base planning scenario uses a 57,000 rupee advertising investment, 100 qualified leads, 10 customer, and an illustrative contributes for 8,000 rupees per customer. However, these numbers are planning scenarios and should not be interpreted as actual, simply learned financial result. In a real implementation, profitability would need to consider actual customer acquisition cost, contribution margin, refunds, and operational cost. The project explicitly identifies these figures as planning scenarios rather than actual company result. 10-week implementation roadmap. To convert the strategy into actionable plan, I developed a 10-week implementation roadmap. This week 1 begins with the baseline audit. Week 2 focus on technical and on-page CEO. Week 3 covers UX research and redesign. Week 4 focused on keyword research and mapping. Week 5 developed the content plan. Week 6 cover for Google ad design. Week 7 focus on tracking and landing page setup. Week 8 is dedicated to launch and testing. Week 9 focused on performance analysis, and week 10 conclude the final report and presentation. This roadmap creates a clear sequence and from analysis to implementation and optimization. The project 10-week roadmap follows this exact sequence. Risk register and quality control. A professional marketing strategy should also consider potential risk. The project identifies risks such as confusing illustrative data with actual data, tracking gaps, broad paid keyword content production, overload, slow landing pages, weak lead quality, and absence of post launch review. Each risk is connected with the mitigation strategy and an owner. This makes the project more realistic and implementation focused. The project risk register and mitigation control are shown in page 17. Publication, publishing, publishing and optimization timing. The project also addressed publishing and optimization timing rather than assuming that one universal time is best for every audience. The strategy recommends starting with test window and then optimizing according to actual engagement and conversion data. This approach can be applied across blog, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Google, and email marketing. The objective is to move resources toward the time period and audience segments and demonstrate stronger performance. The project specially recommends testing and then optimizing based on CTR, engagement, qualified traffic, and conversion rate. Executive KPI dashboard and final review. The executive KPI dashboard brings the entire strategy together. Key metrics include organic session, engaged session, lead or inquiry test, paid cost per click, paid cost per lead, ROAS or contribution, and email engagement. The dashboard is designed not just to report numbers but to support decision making. If organic performance is weak, technical and content coverage should be reviewed. If conversion is weak, landing page and calls to action should be improved. If paid media become insufficient, keyword audience and budget allocation should be optimized. The KPI dashboard and its associated action are defined in the project. Final conclusion. To conclude, this project demonstrates how a complete digital marketing strategy can be built around an integrated customer journey. The strategy does not focus only on generating traffic, it focuses on attracting the traffic audience, improving the website experience, building visibility through SEO and content, engaging audience through social media, generating qualified traffic through paid advertising, and measuring the complete journey through analytics. The key priority are to strengthen the technical and UX foundation, improve high intent landing pages, develop keyword content cluster, establish reliable conversion tracking, test Google ad in a controlled manner, and continuously optimize based on performance data. Ultimately, the proposed journey is discover, understand, trust, explore, inquire, inquire and convert, return. The integrated approach creates a more structured, measurable, and sustainable digital marketing system. Thank you for watching my